Hey guys, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Tech Voyager. Hello friends, welcome to another video of Tech Voyager, and in this video we are going to talk about the pros and cons of the new GetUp G3 Duo camera so that you can take an informed buying decision before going with this camera. So let's begin. The camera comes with lot of accessories which I had shown in detail in my previous unboxing and features overview video of this camera. You can watch the video in the link shared in the I button and in the description. Let's start with the pros. The first pro is the build quality. The build quality is top notch. It's a sturdy plastic body with nice rubberized texture all around it. The buttons are well placed and provide a nice clicky feeling when pressed. Due to its plastic body, it doesn't heat up quickly and also makes it very light in weight. Second comes the video quality. The video quality of this budget camera is very good. The 12 megapixel Sony Exmor CMOS sensor captures rich vibrant colors with lot of details. The sharpness and clarity is also very good. Nighttime, it gets better when wide dynamic range is on, which is understandable. But for this price range, I think the quality is acceptable. Here are some samples so you can be the judge. The camera also provides car DVR feature which lets you use it as a car dash cam. Third pro is the built-in gyroscope. This camera is great for racing sports as the built-in gyro produces stunningly stable and smooth video in high speeds, so no more shaky videos. These are some sample shots with gyro on and gyro off. You can clearly see the difference. Fourth pro is the GetUp app. It is very easy to control your GetUp action camera with GetUp app since you get full remote control of all camera functions. You can use your phone to take photos, start and stop recording and easily adjust all the settings, and it works as advertised. Fifth pro is the quick record mode. With a single press of the shutter button on the camera can be instantly helpful in powering on and the recording starts automatically, so you never miss a shot. Sixth pro is the waterproof casing. The diveable waterproof case is built along the lines and principles usually present with almost all action cameras. As shown in my previous video, the camera works very well in fully dipped conditions as well. Next pro is the availability of wide range of accessories. Wide variety of optional accessories like the skeleton case, GPS module and Bluetooth remote control enhances the features of this camera to a large extent. These provide more options in different situations. This is also compatible with GoPro accessories, so you don't have to worry about finding the required accessory. And the last pro is the external microphone support. Well, the camera comes with an external microphone support, but this is a good feature, but due to the implementation mistakes, it has become a con, which I'll be discussing later. Coming to the cons, the first and the biggest con of this camera is the external mic support. Well, based on my research and the communication that I received from the company, it seems that due to some hardware design flaw, both the external and internal microphone points are connected together to the same power source. As a result, the voice gets recorded from both of these microphones. This makes it completely unfit for motovlogging, as even if you are external microphone connected, still the wind noise captured from both these microphones will completely suppress your voice. Well, GetUp also conveyed that they have rectified this problem in the new G3 batches by replacing the old motherboard with a new improved motherboard, but nothing can be fixed for the old models as this is a hardware issue. And to make this situation more worse, as there is no way you can differentiate the old models from the new one, few of the Chinese sellers are selling the older ones, so beware. I would suggest if you want to use this for motovlogging, then stay away from this model or else go with the older GitHub 2P model. Well, as usual, I have a fix for this. I used electrical tape to close the ventilation holes and also soft sponge pieces to cover the skeleton case opening and the adapter like this. This helped me in reducing the wind noise to a great extent. The second con was the unavailability of quick record feature after Wi-Fi connection with the phone app. And I am saying was because this issue has been rectified in the new version 2.0 firmware after I reported this issue to the company. In the older firmware version, if you connect the camera with the app through Wi-Fi, you can only use the camera through the controls available in the app, but not through the buttons of the camera. The camera hardware buttons will get disabled the moment you connect it to the phone via Wi-Fi. This was a hassle in many situations. But as this is fixed now, so hurry up and update your camera firmware to the latest version. The link to the firmware is in the description. So friends, this is my list of pros and cons based on my 6 months usage. Hope it helps you. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. This keeps me motivated. See ya. Bye.